Unicorns are beautiful animals, and I don't care who you are, you can't dislike unicorns. So let me go ahead and we're going to start drawing a unicorn here. I'm going to use a number 7 to start my unicorn, and I'm going to draw the unicorn's eyes right there. And let's give it a unicorn horn right here. Let's draw the face out. We're going to draw like a backwards letter C. I'm sorry, that's not a backwards letter C. It's a regular letter C. And 2 dots for the nose. And then I'm going to attach that to the 7. Draw a little curved line for the mouth and bring that around like so. Going to draw the front here. And then the body. I'm going to draw a big curvy shape like so. Let me add the ears and a nice flowing mane. I think I made a unicorn donkey. Look at that. That's a unicorn donkey right there. And let's draw our character running proud or happily. So draw these little prancing feet. Hooves and a tail. And there you go, a beautiful unicorn. Every drawing starts with a doodle. Every drawing starts with a rough idea. So make sure you're drawing your doodles, because you never know what they're going to turn into.